All right, let's see this splint.
Wait, hold on a
Like-
second. I have
No.
to. Do I have to tell the story?
Yes.
You want me to tell the story?
Well, you can tell the story. Yes.
Okay, so the doctor made a sling for me, but I lost it. So out of the rest of the original one, I made
Yes.
my own version, which was not bad. It's something very
Wow.
similar to what it was, but
Look
like,
at that.
it was like something like this, but it was not quite right. But it was like,
It's
you know,
it's I'm impressed.
it's not that bad, right?
No, it's not that bad.
But it's not good enough.
Without understanding the principles of creating custom fitted orthosis, let me see it. Put it on again. All right.
So,
put
yeah,
the
if
strap
I,
on. Yeah.
I didn't get to use it at all because it was not quite efficient. but-
Yeah. So the whole point of it is to stop you from
Right.
going up. So it didn't do its job. But it looks like it could potentially
Potentially.